Hey, what's up, guys? It's Griff's Productions here. This is the first. This is part one of restoring this Model 5T housing. I bought it for about $100 because I got it for my 7T for some reason, and well, it didn't fit. But for $100, I'm still gonna restore it. Here's the tag here: Federal Sign and Signal, 5 horsepower. See if it's picking up. Yeah, it's a Type 5. Its serial number is 32684, 220 volts, single phase. Runs on 32 amps. This thing has seen better days. It's got dents in it, which I think I might leave because I don't want to make anything worse. There's that for you. Yeah, there is no siren in there. The A-frame's in there as well. This right here used to be its CD logo, which is no longer there. If we look here, right above the tag, it said Federal Sign and Signal. So, when I'm done giving this thing primer and paint, I will order the decals, and this thing should be looking new soon. Yeah, this thing's got dents all over. But, yeah.